beautiful girl. What's your name?
Hirano Kana.
What?
Kana.
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 Japanese.
Yes.
Speak Tagalog?
Konti lang.
Konti lang. You came from Japan? Do you live in Japan?
English. Tagalog.
Japan? Japan? Rifad? Rifad? Randing?
Tagalog.
Tagalog. Tagalog. Galing kang Japan?
Yes.
Okay. Doon ka nakatira?
Oh,
Oo.
Oo.
Okay. Nag-aaral ka?
Tapos na.
Tapos na!
Wow.
Anong tinapos mo? College? High school?
Senior high school.
Senior high school. And then, balik ka Japan?
Go back.
Okay, Bubsy, halika nga. Interview ka.
Bubsy.
Bubsy! Bubsy worked in Japan.
Yeah.
She was only 14. She works in Japan before.
Tagalog.
Tagalog. You don't speak English?
Oo, speak. No.
Pareho tayo. English pala eh. Pareho kami hindi nag-English.
Gusto niya daw batiin ng mama at papa niya na
bakit?
Japanese.
Mama, papa.
Iyo, hanashi shite, o kasang totosan, nihon de.
カメラに
Yeah, camera ni. Okay.
テレビ出ちゃいました。バイバイ。